Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn SAT at home. Start by taking a timed full-length practice test to assess your baseline, then analyze sectional scores to spot weak topics. Create a study schedule focused on weaknesses while keeping weekly mixed review. Balance content review with active practice questions and timed passages to build stamina and accuracy before moving to advanced strategies and real test conditions. Build a daily routine that blends focused practice and short reviews to make steady progress. Allocate 1 hour to targeted study, alternating reading, math, and vocab work to avoid burnout. Use spaced repetition for error patterns and revisit missed concepts within 48 hours. Add one timed section every 3 days to sharpen pacing and simulate pressure, and reserve a longer practice test every 2 weeks to measure improvements and adjust your plan. Focus on proven strategies and quality resources to accelerate learning without wasting time. Prioritize official practice tests and realistic question banks for accurate feedback. Learn approach patterns for passage-based reading and common math problem types, then drill those repeatedly. Keep an error log that records question type, mistake reason, and corrective action so you stop repeating errors. Review that log weekly and adjust your study plan based on measurable gains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.